Hello guys, I'm Nonab Prince and today I'm going to talk about a recent Hindi film that released on Disney Plus Hotstar called Khuda Hafiz, written and directed by Farooq Kabir, starring Vidyut Janwal. Now this film is very well made and I would like you guys to go and watch this film, and I'll tell you why. I'll give you both good and bad aspects about the film, but before that I'll tell you, if you have seen the trailer, you know the story. His wife got kidnapped in another country. Very cliche story, it has been done many times. Biggest example taken, it was a similar story in Baghi 3 also. But the best part about this film is the treatment of it, how they made this film. If you take a spectrum, if Baghi 3 is at one end, this film is at the other end. This film is so grounded, it's so logical and reasonable. This film doesn't do any stereotypical thing that happens in an action thriller. The hero is not bigger than everyone. He's just a person in this world. And the world has layers, has politics, has army, police, everything. All the procedures are there. Hero cannot just walk in somewhere, kill people and then come back without any harm. No, this is not that film. And that's why this is so good. And I'll not even call him a hero. He's a protagonist. He's a simple man. And that's it. There's nothing more to him than that. He's not a martial artist. He's not beating up the bad guys. Not at all. He's struggling. He's unable to fight. He's falling down. He's tripping over. When he jumps from one building to the other, he barely makes it. The way he's fighting, it's like us, how we fight in normal life. He's not, punching and taking poses. Nothing. It's so raw and natural. Now, I'll not go into spoilers, but I want to tell you some things which I think will not impact your viewing experience. But if you're convinced already and if you want to watch this film, I think you should stop the video right now and go watch it. Now, this film only has 2 action scenes. That's it. There is no action scene after every 30 minutes. Not at all. This is a 2-hour 13 minutes film and the first action scene comes at 1 hour. There's no action scene till 1 hour. There's a lot of drama in the film. The film feels slow, but that is intentional because it adds frustration to the film. Because we're seeing the character struggling to find his wife, and we also feel that emotion. Now, I want to make it clear, this is not at all a perfect film. Far from it. Sometimes it gets really slow. The second half becomes draggy. They could have cut down a lot of scenes which were not necessary. Our character is very one-dimensional. He's just a good guy. That's it. There's no other characteristic to him. And some things in the plot happen very conveniently. And that problem is a trope in this genre of filmmaking. Because there's 99.9% he'll never find his wife. That's the reality, right? But the film wants to show the struggle of him finding her. So of course there have to be some liberties taken. But the one thing I really loved about this film, it never breaks logic. It never breaks reasoning. Actions committed by the characters, it feels justifiable. You understand that if a situation like this arises, this is the thing you should do. How to move ahead, how to find contacts, how to find an address. It's done really very well. The screenplay, the writing has been really good. And the film breaks stereotypes at every point. Every time you'll feel that now I know what will happen because this happens in all the films we watch, right? Now there'll be a mass action scene. Now will be a hero action scene. Now will be that hero moment. He'll, go into rage and kill everyone. No, nothing happens like that in this film. There are no arousing dialogues. There are no slow-mo action. You know what is the best action scene? When it is driven by emotions. And when you watch the film, you'll notice even the action sequences, they are full of emotions. It's never rock song and amazing fight scene. No, it's raw. And it's all of emotion, it's sad. And that fits the film, that fits the tone of the film. That's what the film wants to do and they do it very well. I have to say this is my first Vidyut Janwal film. I watched trailers of his other films but they never interested me, so I never watched them. But this film, the trailer was really good, I liked it, and I watched the film, I was really impressed with him. He did a really good job. And considering he's an action star and he's not the best actor around, we have to consider that. He's an action star, but he really gives his best in this performance. And everyone who has seen his other films, they are saying that this is his best performance till date. See, remember, 5 to 10 years from today, this film not be good at all. I'm saying it right now because we will get better films than this and we'll not appreciate this film for what it was. But this film will always be remembered for starting a new trend in action thrillers, being true to itself and starting a trend of making good action thrillers. See, the purpose of making this video is to recommend this film to as many people as we can. There's a whole trend going, disliking things and not supporting certain kind of people and all. But it also should be a time where we support talent. And I've said this in my previous videos too, and this was my duty to make this video and tell you guys that this is a good film and you should watch it. And if you watch it and don't like it at all, okay, it's alright, you tell me. You never take any recommendation from me ever. I'm ready to lose my merit, but do give it a chance. So guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, share this video, let me know in the comments your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, check out the videos, and if you like them too, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Stay home, stay safe.